Galileo Galilei was an Italian astronomer, physicist, and mathematician born in Pisa, Italy, in 1564. He is often referred to as the father of modern science, for his pioneering work in the field of observational astronomy and the development of the scientific method. Galileo's contributions to science and philosophy revolutionized our understanding of the universe, challenging the prevailing views of the time and laying the foundation for the scientific revolution.
Galileo was the oldest of 6 children born to Vincenzo Galilei, a musician and music theorist, and Giulia Ammannati. He was educated at the University of Pisa, where he initially studied medicine but soon became interested in mathematics and physics. In 1589, Galileo was appointed to the position of mathematics professor at the University of Pisa, where he conducted experiments on the laws of motion and the behavior of falling bodies. Galileo's work in physics led him to the field of astronomy, where he made some of his most important discoveries. In 1609, he built his own telescope, which he used to observe the moons of Jupiter and the phases of Venus. These observations challenged the prevailing Aristotelian view of the universe, which held that the Earth was at the center of the universe and all celestial bodies moved around it.
Galileo's observations provided evidence for the heliocentric model of the solar system proposed by Copernicus, in which the Sun, rather than the Earth, was at the center of the universe. This view was controversial at the time, as it contradicted the teachings of the Catholic Church, which held that the Earth was stationary and at the center of the universe. Galileo's support for the heliocentric view led to his persecution by the Church, which saw his work as heretical. In 1632, Galileo published his most famous work, Dialogue Concerning the Two Chief World Systems, in which he presented arguments for the heliocentric model of the solar system. The book was seen as a direct challenge to the Church's teachings, and Galileo was called before the Inquisition to answer charges of heresy. He was found guilty and placed under house arrest for the remainder of his life.
Despite the persecution he faced, Galileo continued to make important contributions to science throughout his life. He conducted experiments on the laws of motion and the properties of falling bodies, and he developed new methods for measuring time and distance. He also made significant contributions to the field of optics, inventing a new type of telescope and studying the behavior of light. Galileo's work had a profound impact on the development of science and philosophy. His use of the scientific method, which emphasizes observation and experimentation over speculation and theory, laid the foundation for modern scientific inquiry. His support for the heliocentric model of the solar system helped to pave the way for the acceptance of modern astronomy, and his contributions to the fields of physics and optics helped to shape our understanding of the natural world.
In conclusion, Galileo Galilei was a pioneering figure in the field of science, whose work revolutionized our understanding of the universe and laid the foundation for the scientific revolution. Despite facing persecution from the Church for his views, Galileo continued to make important contributions to science throughout his life, leaving behind a legacy that continues to inspire scientists and thinkers to this day.